Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to do screen recording on PC Windows 11. Screen recording on Windows 11 is easy using OBS Studio, a free and powerful recording software. It allows you to capture your screen with audio for tutorials, gameplay, or presentations. This guide will walk you through how to record your screen using OBS on Windows PC. To begin, turn on your Windows 11 and make sure to connect to the internet. Open a browser and download OBS Studio from the official website. Launch OBS Studio after installation. In the Scenes box, click the plus icon to create a new scene. Name your scene and click OK. In the Sources box, click the plus icon. Choose Display Capture to record your screen. Click OK, then choose the display you want to record and hit OK. In the audio mixer, make sure desktop audio and mic or aux are enabled. Next, click Settings and click the output to choose your recording folder or path. Go to Video to adjust the video settings if needed, such as resolution or FPS. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Click Start Recording to begin capturing your screen, then click Stop Recording when finished, then check your saved file. Tip: do a short test recording first to ensure your audio and video settings are correct. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.